Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Tech Infinity. Today I'm going to be talking about how you can free up space on your Windows 10 PC or desktop. So let's get started. So guys, here I am on my desktop. Now the first step you want to do is you want to go to your search bar and type storage. Now in the best match you'll see storage settings. Just click on open. Now this will open your settings and it will calculate your Windows C drive storage data. So guys, as you can see up here, it is written Windows C drive. 244 GB is the capacity of my Windows C drive, and 102 GB I have used, and 142 GB is free. Down here you'll see 5 categories, and then if you want to see more categories, just click on show more categories, and then a lot of categories will be displayed. So guys, there are a lot of categories down here. So the first one is system and reserved, and it has consumed up to 51.6 GB of my C drive. So the system and reserved is actually the file that has been lost, so we cannot actually free up space in here. So let's just jump in the second category, which is apps and features. Just click on it and it will open the list of apps. I have 108 apps installed at this moment, and if you want you can uninstall an app which you don't want. Like let's say I don't want my Max on Cinema. I can just click on it and then click on uninstall. This will uninstall the app. So you can go and just see through the list which apps you use and which you don't, and then after you have uninstalled all the apps which you don't use, you can just click on this back arrow and you will be navigated to this page. So guys, the next category is the temporary files. Just click on it and it will scan. So guys, it has scanned it and it has found all the data available, and then you can actually just take these files and then click on remove files. So let me just take these files. So guys, I just removed all the files I did not did. Now if you want to know what these files are, where they're stored, you can just read these little paragraphs given beneath each name, like downloads and temporary enter files, DirectX shader cache, like this recycle bin. All just click on this back arrow and they'll be navigated to this page again. That 1 GB is not here anymore, it was 11 and now it's 10. Then you have documents, click on documents, and then you can just click on view documents and this will open up your documents folder. Now you can go through all of these categories and free up space in which you want. So guys, there's a feature in Windows called Storage Sense, which can automatically clear space by getting rid of files you don't need, like temporary files and container recycle. So it is off at the moment. We just turn it on, and then it will be turned on, and then click on Configure Storage Sense or Run it now. Now this opens up a new page, and now it will ask Storage Sense runs based on the frequency you choose here. So run Storage Sense. So you can choose every day, every month, every week during low free space. So I just choose every week. Then you want to delete temporary files, just click on yes and then choose your time period. So after 30 days, and then locally available cloud content. So guys, it can actually free space by removing unused cloud backed content from my device. So I'll make it another 30 days. And now if you click on clean now, it will clean. So let's just click on clean now and let's see what happens. So as you can see, it is done and it has cleared up to 263 MB of this space. I had already cleared, so it couldn't clear much space. So guys, welcome back to the screen of my C drive. Now if you use your D drive, E drive, F drive, or any drive, and you want to view that drive, you can just click on view storage users on other drives, and then it's going to show you all of your drives. Now, now here I have my D drive, which I can just click on and see the different categories. I can just go in temporary files and just delete them, and I can go apps, pictures, videos, other documents. That's how you see other drives. It's as simple as that. And if you click on this back arrow, you will be navigated back to the C drive page. So guys, now we're going to look at the second way of cleaning up disk space. For this method, just go to your file explorer and this PC. Now here you can see that 151 GB is free, 190, 232, and 247. So now what we can do, we just click on the drive which you want to free up space on, and then right click on it and then click on properties, and then here you'll see a button called disk cleanup. So this is just a chart of showing your C drive. Okay, so just click on this disk cleanup, and now it will calculate everything: the temporary files, recycle bin, directory shader, cache, and everything it has. And now it will actually show everything which it has. And now you will see here total amount of disk space you can gain is 25.7 MB. So just check all of these boxes, or the boxes you want to check, or you can just leave the recycle bin or the temporary files, anything you want. But I'm just going to check all of these and just click on OK, and just click on delete files. And now again this will bring a pop-up that will say cleaning, and that's it, and it's done so fast. And you can just click on OK, and now you see 1 GB, 152 GB free. It was only 151 when we had started, now it's 152. Guys, that's it for today. If this video helped you, please subscribe my channel to see more Windows videos. See you in the next one.